Welcome to our high school.
It's a public school located in San Andreu de Llavaneres, a village near Barcelona, in Spain.
We have lessons from 8 o'clock to 2:30.
We study lots of subjects such as Catalan, Spanish, English, French, German, ICT, history, maths, physics and chemistry.
Our high school is big. There are 3 floors with around 40 classes.
We have 3 labs, 2 computer rooms, 2 art classes and a music class.
We have a break from 11 o'clock to 11:30. The playground is big.
There's a picnic area to have breakfast and fontaine. We can play table tennis during the break.
We can see the sea from our high school.
There is a basketball court and a football pitch.
We also have a gym for PE and we use it in special events.
There are plenty of places to relax.
The canteen is a very busy place. If you forget your breakfast, you can buy anything there. Sandwiches, cookies, candies and drinks.
The principal is located in a separate building next to the library.
In conclusion, we hope you like our high school.